It's a fantastic ball from Rashford, and the equaliser slotted in by Mason Greenwood. Well, that's what Manchester United do. They hit you on the break, and Rashford set it up, and Greenwood did the rest, and it's 1-1 in the cup tie.
Remaining of the 90, finally Tottenham have the lead against Wycombe Wanderers. Option picked out by the Icelandic international. Gomez has picked out a picture of a pass for Calvert-Lewin. The opening goal scored by Everton's leading scorer, 15 for the season, and that equals his best ever scoring season in all competitions for the Toffees, and we're only in January. City for most of the game, for much of this season. The boy wonder makes it 1-1.
Williams and Manchester United are in here in the shape of Williams makes the mistake, Rashford pounces, and Manchester United, who were 1-0 down, have turned another game around here.
Roosevelt clearance came to Gardner! What a hit! At last the tie has liftoff, and Sunderland in this wondrous knockout season have packed a punch there in the person of Craig Gardner. Balotelli's right, there's no flag here, Balotelli! It's his fourth goal against Villa this season. A hat-trick here in December. Now in this FA Cup tie, from City 2 goals clear on the cusp of the quarter-final.
With a mission by Mourinho, Manchester United have done what they did in the FA Cup final itself, 1-0 down to 2-1 up. Only drops. Barkley's got a bit to do, but he's got Pedro to the right. He plays him now. Not going to play him now. Liverpudlian puts Liverpool 2-0 behind in the FA Cup fifth round at Stamford Bridge. Ex-Everton, very much in the blue now of Chelsea. It's a special moment for him.
United. Great play from Traore to even get there in the first place. Gisted makes it 2-0 Middlesbrough.
Long way out. Ambrose goes for to strike. Palace's top scorer has beaten Brad Friedel with a thunderbolt. What a strike from distance. Brad Friedel is one of the top keepers in the Premier League, but look at the mover on this.
Here's Morrison. Finds a gap. James Morrison! Oh, magnificent! The earlier one from Gardner off the frame deserved a goal, and that most certainly is in that category. James Morrison. West Brom Albion 2, West Ham 0.
Gunnarsson, great hit! Gunnarsson Spurs never goal for Coventry City, and 5,000 Midlanders are in dreamland.
Working for Brentford. Now the foot race on, and look at the pace here from
cut through.